Hello, so in this module we are going to see how to perform a decimal to binary number conversion. So in a digital system you have a decimal number system which is base 10 system, and you have a binary number system which is base 2 system. So let's say you have a number given here is 19. So this is your number 19, and in the subscript it's written 10 here. So it means this is a decimal number system which has a base of 10 and the number is 19, and you want to convert this number 19 to equivalent binary number. So how do you do that? So well, what you do is you write that number first and divide it by 2. Then the division is 9 and the carry is left 1. Remember, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So 19 minus 1 will be the 1 that will be carry. So you write the carry here. Then you have a 9 again divided by 2 and the division is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and 9 minus 8 is your 1, which is a carry. Then you are left with 4. Again you keep on dividing 4 by 2. Now this time the division is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, and there is no carry, so carry is 0 here. Now what you are left is 2. Again you divide it by 2 and the division is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and the carry is 0. Finally you have a number 1. You divide it by 2. You cannot divide it by 2, so therefore you write as it is. Once you have all the division complete, you start from the bottom and go up and write all the digits in this fashion. So it is 1 0 0 1 1. So you see here 1 0 0 1 1, and then in the subscript you write 2, which is the base of binary. So your number 19 has been converted into equivalent decimal number, which is 10011. So in this fashion you can convert any decimal number into equivalent binary number. So let's say you have a number to be converted is 105. So that's your number which has a base 10. Can you convert it into equivalent binary number? That's a exercise for you, and write your answer in the comment section of the video. Like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and share with others. Wish you all happy learning.